Assalamualaikum and good day, sir. I am Rashima Gyamla and this is my reflection. So now, let's proceed. Your first question is, what was your initial understanding of the topic? My initial understanding of the topic, linear programming, so it is a mathematical optimization method called linear programming. So it is used to determine the optimal solution for a mathematical model having linear relationships. So under a set of linear constraints, so it entails maximizing or minimizing a linear objective function. So the quantity to be optimized is represented by the objective function, while requirements or limitations that must be met are represented by the constraints. So many disciplines such as operation research, economic, and management is frequently employ linear programming to handle issues with scheduling, resource allocation, production, planning, and transportation, among other things. Next, how does the topic connect to your personal experiences or beliefs? This linear programming can connect to my personal experiences or beliefs because linear programming can be applied to me as a student to allocate study time for exams by assigning variables, defining an objective function, and establishing constraints such as time availability and minimum requirements. So the optimal allocation of study time can be found. So this approach maximizes overall grade while satisfying time constraints, demonstrating the potential of linear programming in academic settings. Okay, next, can you relate the topic to any real-world situations or current events? Linear programming can relate to any real-world situations or current events. Linear programming is a versatile tool used in various industries to optimize outcomes and improve efficiency. So it aids in supply chain management, resource allocations, transportation and logistic production planning, financial planning and marketing and advertising. So it helps in minimizing cost, maximizing productivity, and meeting customers' demands. So it also aids in resource allocations, transportation routes, and inventory positioning. So linear programming's versatility allows it to be applied in various decision-making process, ensuring optimal outcomes and impact. Next, what were the interesting or surprising things you learned about this topic? So, the surprising thing that I've learned in this topic was linear programming is a useful method for resolving optimization issues with features like duality, numerous optimal solution, unboundedness, degeneracy, sensitivity analysis, and real-world applications. So, its adaptability and broad range of uses make it an effective tool for problem solving and decision making across various industries despite potential inefficiencies and longer computation times. Next, how have these insights impacted your perspective or understanding? So linear programming has evolved significantly, incorporating factors like what I said, duality, multiple solutions, unboundedness, degeneracy, and sensitivity analysis. So this approach allows for flexible decision making and raises awareness of limitations. So its practical applications in various industries expands its relevance, enabling informed solutions to complex optimization challenges. Next, how can you apply what you have learned from this topic in your daily life or future studies? I discovered that I could use linear programming to aid me with problem solving and financial planning in my everyday life, as well as in my future academic endeavors. So we may handle complicated problems with effectiveness, maximize resource allocation, increase efficiency, and make better decisions by putting the ideas of linear programming to use in our daily lives and future research. So last question, what are the key takeaways or lesson you have learned from this topic? The lesson I've learned as linear programming offers a framework for deliberate decision making. So, a mathematical modeling of real-world issues allow us to access several possibilities and choose the optimal course of action. So, we may solve complicated issues more successfully, allocate resources more efficiently, and make better decisions by comprehending and putting the ideas of linear programming to use. And that's all my reflection to the topic that I've choose, linear programming. And thank you, sir, for watching.